Hello everyone, I am Dhruv and you are watching Learn with Dhruv. Today's word of the day is alleviate. It is pronounced as alleviate and not alleviate. Alleviate means to make something less severe, less painful, or easier to deal with. Here is a quick mnemonic to help you remember the meaning of word alleviate. The first mnemonic is based on spelling. As you can see, the word alleviate begins with ALL, which you can think of as a little less. So alleviate means make something a little less painful or severe. The second mnemonic that I have here is pronunciation based. In the word alleviate, you can hear the word leave. So think of it as leave the pain. This helps you to recall that alleviate means to reduce or ease discomfort. Here are some examples. The new medicine helped alleviate her headache. Planting more trees can alleviate air pollution. The government introduced policies to alleviate poverty. A short break can alleviate stress during work. Some of the synonyms for alleviate are ease, reduce, lessen, relieve, mitigate, soothe, and diminish. Some of the antonyms are aggravate, exacerbate, intensify, and worsen. Now it's your turn. Write one sentence using the word alleviate in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back tomorrow for another powerful word. Thank you.